أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما. Let me ask you something tender. What do you do when you are misunderstood, misjudged, or you're quietly carrying a pain that no one else seems to see? Do you shut down? Do you harden your heart? Or do you let faith carry you through the storm? Today's episode is for every woman who has ever whispered, "I'm hurting, but I still want to be righteous." In episode 5 of Women Who Built the Ummah, we return to the life of Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha. Not to talk about her intellect this time, but her emotional resilience and healing through faith. Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha was young when she faced one of the most painful trials a woman can endure, the incident of slander. False accusations, public whispers, silence from those she expected protection from, days that turned into weeks of emotional agony. And here's what's striking. She did not rush to defend herself. She did not collapse into despair. But she turned inwards towards Allah. Aisha did not define herself by people's opinions. She anchored her identity in divine justice. Can you imagine the emotional weight? No instant clarification, no immediate validation, no closure. Only sabr, sabr, and some more sabr. But when revelation finally came, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself declared her innocence in the Quran. Not through people, not through rumors dying down, through wahi. Healing does not always come quickly. Sometimes it comes correctly, but at its own time. Many of us want relief now, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala prioritizes truth over timing. Let's pause here, sister. Many women today carry emotional wounds from words spoken carelessly, shame that doesn't actually even belong to them, trauma they've normalized, pain they've wrapped in "I'm fine." We rush to heal without processing. We move on without understanding the meaning. Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha teaches us that pain is not something to rush past. It is something to walk through with Allah. And here's something extraordinary. After the slander incident, Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha did not become suspicious of people. She did not withdraw from the community. She did not become emotionally hardened. In fact, she continued teaching. She continued loving. She continued contributing. She healed without becoming bitter. So resilience is not pretending you were never hurt. It is choosing not to let hurt define you. So, how do we embody Aisha's resilience today? Separate your worth from what happened to you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala defined Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha himself. What hurt you did not reduce your value. Let Allah be your advocate. She waited for Allah's response. Turn to dua before defensiveness. Let Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala handle what you cannot control. Heal so you can continue, not retreat. She didn't disappear after pain. Growth doesn't require isolation. It requires integration. When healing is rooted in faith, a woman doesn't just recover. She rises. Imagine Muslim women being supported to clarify their goals beyond just coping. Build awareness around emotional wounds. Address deep pains with compassion, not denial. And apply Islamic solutions that heal both heart and identity. That kind of resilience isn't accidental. It's nurtured with guidance, reflection, and safe spaces. Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha emerged from one of the darkest trials as one of the greatest scholars of this ummah. Her pain did not disqualify her, it refined her. The women who build the ummah are not those who were never tested, but those who trusted Allah through the test. As you reflect tonight, my dear sister, ask yourself gently, what pain am I still carrying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to heal? What would it look like to trust Him with it? In the next episode, inshallah, we will turn to a woman whose life teaches us about simplicity, dignity, and quiet strength. Until then, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us healing that deepens our faith and resilience that softens our hearts. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.